Welcome back, kids. Today we will draw sun, moon, and a cute star. So let's start. First, draw a big circle on one side of paper. You can use pencil or black crayon to draw it. Look, we draw a big circle. Now let's draw the outer layer of sun. Draw some curved line and make it in a round shape. Just draw like me, and it will look very great. Good job! Look with cute sun. Now let's draw a cute moon. Draw a small curve in the middle like this. Now draw another big curve and connect the small curve line. Draw it like a banana. Well done, it's looking very great. We draw a half moon. Lastly, we will draw a cute shining star. If you don't know how to draw a star, then draw like me. Make some cone like this. You know what? A star have 5 points. Good job, is looking very great. Now let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First, color on the sun. Use orange color and color on the circle only. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. It's very easy to draw. Just do round and round. Round and round. Round and round. And it's done. Slowly fill the color and don't make any mistake. It's very easy to draw. So don't forget to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Now use yellow color on outside of sun. Color very carefully at the corners. Slowly fill the color and don't make any mistake. It's very easy to draw. So don't forget to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. First, color the outline. If you color the outline first, then the color will not go outside. Well done, now use gray color on moon. Do the same thing. First, color the outline, then slowly fill the color. you can also use different color on your drawing. It's very easy to draw. So don't forget to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Lastly, color on the star. I'm using sky blue color, but you can also use different colors. First, color the outline. If you color the outline first, then the color will not go outside. Just do left and right, left and right, and it's done. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Lastly, use white color to make it more shiny. First, draw some curved line in middle. Well done, now draw some line on the outside also. We complete the sun. Now make some line on the moon. Draw a big curve and it's done. Lastly, make some line on the star. I'm drawing some line in the corner. Good job, we complete the drawing. Let's write the name. Do you know how to write sun? Write S-U-N, sun. First draw S. Now let's draw U. Lastly, draw N. Well done, now let's write moon. First draw M, draw up and down, and it's done. Now draw 2 O. Make 2 round circles, like this. Lastly, draw N. Look, we write moon. Good job, now write star. First draw S, now draw T. Well done, now draw A. Make a cone and draw a line. Lastly, draw R. Well done, we complete the drawing. Look how cute it's looking. To learn drawing, click here to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.